There are products, and there are product personalities. There are automobiles, and there are icons, recognized and admired around the globe. Their ambition is always to lead, powerful, masculine, authentic. And their path is the road to success. Their values have roots in the past, but they transform uncompromisingly into tomorrow. Their design speaks for itself, unmistakable, pure, iconic. The return of an icon, the Beetle. They're a statement. They express the passion for perfection, and they define the DNA of a brand. They are the original. The Beetle for the 21st century. The Beetle. Das Auto from Volkswagen.